is my second layover at Indore, and guess whose first layover is like this is?
The specs girl.
Yes. Spexy बैठी है ऊपर, ये सोफा के ऊपर बैठी बैठी है ये.
अरे फोटो लेना है इसके खाने का.
हाँ खाना है
वो भी
यार.
तो बताओ.
हाँ. So we just ordered like food in because we landed pretty late and the buffet was over. So we just let me just clean the camera. It's pretty good. So the buffet was closed and we decided to order dine in, and we are gonna have a food. आज का 3 सेक्टर था, बहुत ही था
वाहियात.
हाँ. उसके बाद कल 3 ही सेक्टर है ना.
हाँ वाहियात.
And also I went to Jammu today, although we did not go, obviously like airport तक ही गए. You know, Josa wants to go out. I don't know what she wants to do. मैं तो last time ही चली गई. क्यों जाना चाहते हो?
मेरा फर्स्ट ले ओवर है. मैडम जी तो चली गई फर्स्ट ले ओवर में, तो मेरे को तो ले जाओ. चलना ठीक है. तेरा कैमरा पकड़ दूंगी मैं.
अरे इवनिंग में जाएंगे.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली.
ठीक है. कल
You're not tired, no?
I am very tired. So yeah, just gonna eat. Let me show you what all we're gonna eat, okay? There's a fish and
fish, sauteed veggie.
Mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. इसका ये soup होगा. हमारा ये brownie with ice cream है. This is my chili chicken, and that's my Hakka noodles. So yeah, that is what we are having now. Get my tea. View of Indore. Morning में भी ऐसा ही दिखता है. Indore is hot. Morning guys. So it's about to be 7. We have a flight at 10, and today is the only morning after so many days that I can sit relaxed and not just put foundation on my face the moment I wake up. So I decided to stay in yesterday because I was pretty tired and didn't go out. Jyotsna went out by herself. She ate potato twisters and she was telling it was not nice. She didn't like it, but yeah. So abhi ka plan is we'll just sit here, sip some tea and relax a bit and then get ready. Fir se foundation on face and eat some breakfast and go for the flight. Today is gonna be Indore, Pune, Hyderabad, Pune. We have a layover at Pune. So yeah, this day is gonna be pretty hectic. Won't be able to vlog the aircraft and everything, but let's see if I go out in Pune or not. So yeah. Done with the breakfast, time to check out. Landed in Pune, layover it is. See you guys in the hotel. Okay, so at the hotel, and I was so lucky that I got let me just open the mask. I got single room today because Jyotsna went to her place. So let me just give you guys a quick tour. This is the room. Oh, I really love the couch there, and the washroom. So hi. Alright, now I'm just gonna eat something and rest. Let's check the view from the space. Okay, I have Pune. Pune is hot. One of the best feeling is coming back and removing your makeup. And can you please appreciate the background? I mean, look at this room. It's so damn pretty. Like, I like the walls. I like the lamp, how they're hanging. And I really love, please ignore that. I really love the, accent cushions and everything. And it's just like warm tone of brown. And I just love the fact that it's like gray, black, white and orange. I feel Silas would love this kind of combination. What says Silas Gurung? Do you like this room? So yeah, it's really, really pretty. I mean, yeah. Today I get the room to myself. I thought I'd go out, but it's already 6:30 or something. Tomorrow my reporting time is 9:20, and tomorrow I have 4 sectors, like 4 freaking sectors, and it gets so hectic in when you're doing short sectors, because you have to do your service, clearance, securance, and everything. So you need a lot of energy, and for that you need to rest well. And because I am gonna come back to Pune 3 times more this month only, so I'm not very excited to go out today. I am gonna just sleep in, rest, and edit some of the videos, because I have to free up my storage also on the phone. So I'll do that, and maybe explore Pune next time I come to Pune for layover and take you guys along. So today also you guys will see me sleeping just like I did yesterday. Alright, nothing very exciting for this layover vlog, but stay tuned. Things might just get spicy. Perks of being a cabin crew and getting a single room. Yeah, that did not go as planned, but pretty excited. Now I have my food here, so I've ordered. Okay. Alright, that's nice. So what the, my tripod is always tripping. Wait, see, the sun is setting and I'm gonna eat my food now. I ordered for some aglio olio with french fries and a biscuit they sent me with some coffee. So yeah, let's pour some coffee for myself. I mean, look how cute this thing is, like so cute. And I also got some ice cream, so I'm gonna go have my ice cream first. Oh god. There's some sort of like hill here, and it looks really nice because it breaks the horizon, you know. So weird with this blue eyeliner after so many days. So yeah, I'm all ready for my flight. It's about to be 9 a.m. Today's gonna be a long day. I have 4 sector. I'm operating Pune, Delhi, Dehradun, Delhi, and Delhi, Bangalore, and probably gonna reach home around 9:30 or 10ish. So yeah, it's gonna be a hectic day. My bags are packed, all ready to go. I'm just waiting for my phone to get charged so that I can plug out my charger and zip my trolley, and after that I'll head downstairs to the buffet to grab some breakfast, and then I'll head to the airport. I'm not sure if you guys are enjoying this kind of vlog, so I just show you, you know, what happens during layovers, what we do on layovers, because I'm not exploring the places much, you know, because my body is still getting used to this new schedule, new lifestyle, where you just like wake up, make up, operate the flight, come back, rest. So yeah, I want to just settle in because it's a new job, right? So I just want to settle in, and I want to get used to this life, and then start exploring the places. I hope you all will keep supporting, keep watching, and keep enjoying the video. All right, now I'll just put down my phone, and I'll see you guys down at the buffet. A pretty light breakfast, some sausages, salamis, egg, muffin, juice, and some cereals. I decided to sit here. Look how pretty this place is. Alright, let's get started. So I quickly finish my breakfast and head downstairs and wait for my colleague because they're not here yet. And go to the airport, and it's gonna be a long day. So I'll probably see you guys back in Bangalore around 9ish, 9:30ish in the night. So yeah, have a nice day, guys. Bye. Waiting for my colleagues because they're not here yet, but check how pretty this washroom is. I mean, like, aesthetics. This light is so nice, and yeah. So yeah, you guys have probably seen this frame so many times, but still I have nothing new to show apart from this. My uniform is so loose on me now. So yeah, after they come, we'll go and operate the flight and get done with the day. Exciting life, yeah. So yeah, this is the reality of aviation. Ladies who thinks that it's only about traveling, eating, going to new places. No. It's about sacrificing your sleep. Your schedule is all over the place, and I don't know, yeah, everything like that. Back to Bangalore after 3 days, a lot of turbulence. Today was an eventful day. It's literally like 12. We were supposed to land at 8, but we landed at 10:30. So. Oh my god, we were supposed to land at 8:10, but we landed at around 10:30. And we got home at around midnight, that is right now. So I'm like hungry. This is like a temporary thing. We're only here for like a month, so we don't have any gas, blah blah blah. Electric jug भी था एक, वो अचानक से चल नहीं रहा अभी. So tragedy of life is that. And so we are having choco chip cookie जो हमने आज फ्लाइट से लेके आए थे, क्योंकि हमको फूड नहीं दिया था दिल्ली वालों ने, दिल्ली के केटरिंग वालों ने. So हमने कुकीज़ खा लिया. एंड नाउ मेरे डॉक्टर साहब ने यहाँ पे जो पहले रहते थे, पता नहीं कौन है, ही फॉरगॉट टू चेंज एड्रेस इट सीम्स, एंड उनका ग्रॉसरी आया हुआ था यहाँ पे आफ्टर लाइक 3-4 दिन आ गए, अभी तक यहीं है. सो अब हम खा रहे हैं वो. हमने डॉक्टर साहब को ढूंढने की कोशिश करा, नहीं मिला, पर अब हम खा रहे हैं. सो या दैट्स द लाइफ ऑफ अ कैबिन क्रू. नॉट वेरी एक्साइटिंग. हाँ, सिर्फ दिखता एक्साइटिंग है दूसरों का, बट रियलिटी ये है कि नहीं? आई एग्री. I just realized that I am working from 8:30 and it's like 12:30 or 1. Bharat. I'm working for fucking 16 hours. And people think that campus is pretty, chai, coffee. I'm like, so much more to that. Right now I'll eat.
मैंने चिप्स खाएगा, अच्छा है.
हाँ, ठंडा है. पिज्जा भी
स्पाइस फ्री.
कॉल उठाया करना. हाँ, आफ्टर में अकेले बैठ के. आपका कैसा था टर्बुलेंस का? ओह माय गॉड भैया, आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस.
आज क्या हुआ? I was looking out of the window, ठीक है? I saw clouds. I was looking on them. Suddenly I went like this. I looked this side. This girl is not there. I was like, कहाँ गई? पूरा टर्बुलेंस होने लगा. मैं बैठी थी, जब देखा उधर जाके वो ऊपर से नीचे गई.
So today's turbulence were pretty like bad because the captain, she did a commendable job landing the aircraft. She had all tears in the eyes because you guys can imagine कितना रहा होगा thrilling. We could also feel when we were like approaching the runway. मेरे को आगे से ऐसा दिख रहा था aircraft literally. And everyone was so scared.
And her eyes were filled, you know why? Because it was a pride moment for her.
That's what she felt like. She literally like saved her asses because just weather में आज हमने fly करा और land करा. That was like pretty dope. I mean,
all aircraft got diverted. This
only
lady landed.
हमारा
airline का हमारा ना.
सिर्फ इंडिगो का मिलता है क्लियरेंस. Sleep deprived, rest deprived, food deprived, बनाया चिप्स में जिंदगी चल रहा है.
जिंदगी में नहीं बोला जा रहा है से.
जिंदगी झंडू है फिर भी
मगन हुआ।
चलो बाय, ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकते हैं।
बाय।
गुड नाइट, सी यू टुमारो।